Hi, Peter from the Maritime Tutor at True North Marine. We're continuing with our navigation light series. This is video 2 of a 3-part series. So every day, tens of thousands of ships safely navigate all around the world, crossing paths with other vessels, overtaking other vessels, and the majority of situations, they do that without incident. So have you ever wondered how mariners communicate and stay safe at sea at night? Well, the key is navigation lights. So the question is, how well do you know navigation lights? So this activity involves the identification of navigation lights in accordance with the Colregs. The Colregs are the international regulations for the prevention of collision at sea, just commonly called the Colregs. So in this exercise, or in this series of videos, only the lights are showed. There will be 20 questions. You should have a pen and paper ready and write down your answers. You can check your responses on the last page where the answers will be displayed. Now, whether you're new to learning navigation lights or a professional doing a refresher, let's review the different categories of navigation lights displayed by vessels. Remember, Rule 2 states that everyone must comply with the rules. So to be able to comply with the rules, you have to know the rules, which includes knowing the navigation lights. Now, there are 7 rules within the rules that cover navigation lights. And there are 11 categories of different navigational lights for vessels. Here's a list. So as you can see, navigation lights are essential for preventing collisions and understanding the movement and direction of vessels as they pass each other and cross each other's path. Remember, navigation lights can be viewed from dead ahead, from the port or starboard side, and from astern. So each series of lights will be shown for 5 seconds. If you need longer, you can pause the video. So let's test your knowledge of navigation lights. Good luck. Question 1. Question 2. Question 3. Question 4. Question 5. Question 6. Question 7. Question 8. Question 9. Question 10. Question 11. Question 12. Question 13. Question 14. Question 15. Question 16. Question 17. Question 18. Question 19. Question 20. And the answers? I'll also put a copy of the answers in the description section of the video for you.